Hi friends, good afternoon to all. Today I'm telling you about that digital well-being. This is very nice topic to live well in our technology world. This is your happy Srinivas. I hope last week is spent very happily. See about that digital well-being, most of the times if we want to spend 5 minutes, it will take sometimes half an hour, 1 hour also. But when we commit internally, I want to spend either 5 minutes or 10 minutes, with that commitment, it is very easy to come out of that, whichever the task you are doing in the technology. Sometimes while doing the work, many notifications will disturb us. It will lead to strain also. That is why if we turn off that, if you activate that don't disturb button, then automatically we can easily do our work. See why many people, even though they know also, sometimes they are lacking because not taking the action with the useful thought and not implementing with the courage. See, most of the people like hours together, simply in hands they will use mobile, keep on with the, they will hands also get the pain, sometimes neck will get the pain, backside also pain will come. Like that, when we are using continuously screen, that time eyes also will get the strain. So even though we are using the for comfort purpose, it is coming the problem to health also. That is why always we should use all the technology related things for our happy life. Always things we should use, either you take the example of mobile or any electronic device, we should not addict to that. Normally starting moment for getting the happiness, even though if we use also, after a few days we will addict to that habit. It is very difficult to come out. That is why daily take some time limit. Within that limit, if we use it, then it will be useful to you. Not only that, the remaining time it is very easy to spend with the family members also. Wherever we see right now, either bus or train, flight, wherever we see, just everybody they are using the mobile, like texting, like watching videos or anything. But can we think once, are we really missing the external world or not? If we are spending too much time in the screen world, like in the technology, there is a very less possibility to connect to the others. That is why we have to take some time to speak to your friend or to spend your family, to do the exercise or anything. At least 1 hour starting time, starting days, at least 1 hour if we take screen off completely. If we use that time for our productivity purpose, just like spending with the family or interest work for doing, if we allot that time, then it will be more useful. So instead of using the alarm further with that technology, we can use the normal alarm also. Yes, and if you want to de-edit from these devices, make that strong commitment. One day I have to be completely free from that device. That is also possible, but we should gradually take step by step. First like 1 hour, next 1.5, 2 hours, just like that. If we are taking that one, it is very easy. See, nowadays the devices we are giving to our kids also, if they are not listening, just we are giving that device, we are doing our work, but how much that problem will come, we don't know nowadays. Even if you see wherever small kids, they are having like pets. Not only that, they are habituated that devices, means even though while eating also without that device they are not at all eating that one. Because of that, they are getting like very body weight, like that also it is increasing as per that measurement. Body weight, it is not there, like that their heavy weight also it is increasing that one.